Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. There is a news regarding increasing the blocked account amount for Germany student visa. So I was just visiting Germany in Mumbai, the consulate. So if you click on their latest post, here you can see that the required amount for the blocked account for all student applications will be increased to 934 euro per month actually. That is like 11,208 euro per year from October 2022 onwards. Actually, if you have a visa appointment in October, this amount you should be paying actually. So why they have done this? There is a cost of living in Germany has risen in the past couple of years. They are saying that there are the changes in expenses, though they will revise according time to time according to that actually. Okay, so there are some of the list. If your appointment still in August, it is still 10,332 euros only. In September also same 10,332 euros, that is 861 euro per month. But your appointment in later October or something, October or later, then it will be 11,208 euro per year will be the cost of the thing actually. Okay, so if you are planning to get a slot before that, that will be very good actually. Otherwise you have to there is a change in increment. There is a small change in the amount. You can see it here actually. So please see the video description. There are a lot of useful things for the German study in Germany. I will be provided there. You can check it out. If any doubts, you please comment on the comment box, as well as I will share the link of this post so that you can access it and read it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more videos related to Germany, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.